Hey guys, just wanted to let you know what I'm working on. These are some of the things that I'm working on. The first thing is McCall's 8925. I'm interested only if I'm Ashley McCall's blouse. By the way, view A, the blouse is a vintage 80s. Laura Ashley, I'm sorry. And it's a vintage 80s patterns, and it's only the top version. Here are your line drawings. And I'm sewing it in this candy stripe fabric. So lovely. This is cotton. I also have linen, but I have not found the project I want to use that linen for quite yet. So now, as you can see, it's the candy stripe fabric, and what you're looking at now is the sleeves of the blouse, which is top A. So guys, the next pattern that I will be making is Vogue 2042, and I'm interested in these. Here are the line drawings for that. Also, it states that the pattern pieces, you only have 4 straight pattern pieces. This dress requires a zipper as well. So I think this fabric right here will be a nice pair for that pattern. This view here, I think it will be nice. This fabric is 45 inches wide, and it's magnolias, and I got it from Michael's, and I believe it was $4.70 a yard, and it's nice fabric. Okay, next up is McCall 7742. I'm interested in this view, although it has a border. I'm not doing the border end of the dress. I'm just gonna do regular fabric, but I am gonna do that type of ribbon for the sleeve. You have 2 versions, almost the same. One sleeve view has elastic and one has ribbon. So here are your line drawings. And let me show you the fabric. Ooh, $3.76 a yard, and I got 4 yards. The daisies. Isn't that cute for the summer? Nice cotton fabric. And it is also 45. The width is 45 inches. And I got 4 yards of this. And I think it would pair well with this little dress. So next is Butterick 6994. I'm doing view A, the shorter version of the dress. And here are your line drawings. This dress has a zipper, collar, and it's sleeveless. I'm pairing it with this chalice that I got also from Michael's. Nice flowy drapey fabric for the spring and summer. This is 2 yards. And I believe this is a 60-inch width or 54. I think it would go great together. Let me know what you think in the comments. Which one is your favorite? Which one would you choose to make? And what fabric would you use with it? This pattern here is a new look, 6572. I'm interested in the shorter version. And I have chosen this fabric as a shirting to make this dress out of. Also have some fabric coming from Moose to do this little blouse. And this fabric came from Fabric Mart. Yep, and it's called White Dark Cornflower Antique Ruby Cotton Vertical Stripe Shirting. And it was $3 a yard when I purchased it. So I think that'll be cute for the summer. We'll see. And for the ribbon, I chose this, but it's not quite dark enough, so I may have to go in store. The fabric and these items came from online. I ordered them online, but I think I'm gonna have to go in the store to get a darker type of ribbon to go with this. Doesn't really, this is a pale yellow and it doesn't really match. And for this fabric right here, I got some fabrics, what is it coming that's in circles? So can you match up plaids or stripes and circles? Let me know what you think in the comment below. I'm gonna show you what blouse I'm gonna use or what pattern I'm gonna use for the circle knit fabric. So this pattern, Simplicity 95-96. See the little t-shirt she's wearing is an option view in this pattern. I have made it before. So I'm gonna make that to go with this if needed. And that's the little circle. I'm gonna make this out of circle fabric that I got coming from Wood. It has not come in yet, but we'll see if it works. Let me know what you think in the comments. And last, this is some fabric I also got from Michael's that was on sale. It was like $3 or $4. So of course I grabbed it. I got 4 yards of this. It's kind of thick. I would like to make some shorts out of it, and maybe a short-waisted top or jacket or something. It's nice. It's thick. It's thicker than the fabric that I used for my last video. But there's no stretch and it's durable. It has to be prepped. It has not been prepped yet. But it's nice, thick fabric. So look at this. I'm always looking for ways to organize and be creative at it and budget at the same time and be mindful of the cost. This bag here is huge. It's a 19 by 25, I believe. It has handles on it, and it also has zipper. And it comes 5 in a pack, and you also have another bag that you can just put all of your stuff in, your patterns, thread, whatever you need for that particular project. Right now, I have at least 5 patterns in this bag, the ones that I'm going to be working on and have not started working on yet. But this huge bag is huge. It's made of durable plastic, and it has a zipper and 2 handles. They can handle all of your project needs in one bag. Carolyn of Carolyn's Handmade, she presented this on her last video, and I asked Carolyn where she got the bag, purchased the bags from, and she was kind enough to tell me that they were purchased from Amazon. She sent me a link. I think this is fantastic. It is just so huge. Huge bag. Thanks, Caroline.